My name's Victoria Prendeville. I work for the Nutrition and Dietetic Service and I'm a service lead for nutritional support for Hywel Health Board. Fe nhw yw Victoria Prendeville, Recriwtio Wasanaeth Maeth a Deieteg. So I entered into a career in dietetics because basically I loved science in school, I love food and I wanted to combine the two to work with people and make a difference to people. And I would honestly say that since I embarked on a career in dietetics, I've never looked back. I thoroughly enjoy what I do, and I think part of that is really because dietetics itself is such a diverse career. You could be working on an acute ward one day, seeing a patient that's just had a stroke, that's lost their swallow. The following day you might be delivering a health and wellbeing roadshow. The day after you might be doing a clinic or a group session with patients with diabetes. And then you might be in a complex MDT supporting a patient going home to regain their independence and quality of life. So it really is a fantastic career and one that I would really encourage people to sort of go for, because it really is great and diverse. And I think that's part of why I also am where I am in my career as well, because I've been given opportunities to develop. And as a health board, I think Hywel Health Board itself is a great place to work because it does offer you opportunities to develop and progress in your career. And I often speak to students or future graduates about the opportunities that can be provided. And often enough, I think there's a pull to work for large health boards or go to big cities, whereas I think sometimes thinking about working for a smaller health board can actually be a good thing because it offers you more opportunities to develop and progress. And that's certainly been the case for me in my career. And I started working here in 2001 and I've been here ever since. So I think that's testimony to how great this health board is and the opportunities that you can be given. And as well as that, I think it's important to mention that, you come to work for, I wanted to work somewhere where I could actually wake up in the morning and want to come to work. And as a health board, it's such a friendly environment. We've got a fantastic team in dietetics, a really supportive team, great people to work with. They work so hard. But then we've got our team on the wards, the doctors, the nurses, the staff here, the other therapists are all so welcoming and friendly. And I think that's part of why I also love coming to work. We all work so closely together as a team. And the other thing to think about is obviously work-life balance. We all come to work, but we also want to strike that work-life balance, which is so important. And, we live and we work in such a beautiful place. We've got the coastal paths, we've got the cycling paths. If you're a recreational athlete, for example, or somebody that enjoys sport, you couldn't want for a better place to work and to live.